Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. This is a story about some recollections I have with interactions with the police. Not necessarily my interactions, but stories from my area. When I was real little, people really didn't talk around youngins as far as to say stuff. I mean, there was more filters going on. And this guy, evidently he was drunk riding a horse around town naked. Well, they eventually got a posse together and got him. And he was in one parking lot, and he was hollering "Ho, Silver!" And anyway, they got him for driving under the influence and public drunkenness and public nudity. And I'd love to find somebody that remembered who it was, but there aren't any people left around that I think would know. But anyway, the other story is the guy who worked with my dad named Curly. Curly was an older guy, and Curly was pretty tough. He was always good to me, always good to me. But Curly would go to these little speakeasies and get him $1 a shot, and he'd drink him enough he'd go home, wouldn't bother nobody, but he might stumble a little bit or sit up next to a wall for a little while. Well, these two police officers were going to manhandle Curly. Well, they got manhandled in the process, and Curly got locked up. Well, he called my daddy. My daddy called the chief of police, which was one of his best friends. So he got him out of jail, and ended up the charges were dropped. And I found out later that the chief of police talked with the two guys, asked them if they really want to go to court with a man of Curly's age mopping the pavement with him. And don't get me wrong, I've got all kind of respect for law enforcement. This is a job I would not want. But it just, a lot of stories happen and things get moved around, covered up, and hush-hushed. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.